Yes, welcome back. And I still was about television with day with my beautiful ladies on Talk Talk. Whenever I see my face, the thing when they come next na Coco of the day. I don't know. And this time
but
around, I won't go straight.
all through. Where would it
No, this particular one when I mean.
Okay.
Na Coco of the day. And I won't go straight to the point. Very simple, no go left. If you say it day okay to know your colleague's salary, maybe they work for somewhere and you just feel say, I won't know my colleague's salary. If you say they're okay to know what's your colleague they earn.
No. You want sniff?
For me, in two ways. Two ways. Number one, it's not they okay at all because why? It go actually demoralize you. Imagine say you find out how much, let's say how much Amaka they earn, and you they earn more than me, and they actually, or rather maybe I they do more work,
and you
or they do the
less.
same work. And then I realize say they earn more than me. It go make my morale day low. So to the extent say I don't want even function well again. So if you actually work out in that way, and the second one, if you actually make you be like a victim in the sense that if I go tell you, Amaka, do you know that I earn like 250,000? Meanwhile, you and Amaka they do the same thing, and Amaka they earn like 80,000 or 70,000. It will actually they pay Amaka. And you know how some kind
local
wahala. That's the same thing.
Right, it actually happens. So wahala go always enter. Wahala, and you go to say you are the most favored.
Yeah, but if an organization will be say it gets standard of salary based on how una take come inside for a set, maybe when you can't do good when you can't do well later, they promote you. You know, say na like ladder, so you get target where you go. To me, I prefer that kind of system. So okay, if you actually move on to this level, see what you do. So everybody don't struggle. That means the company go to move because everybody they aim
that which is very hard for us. Because everybody get their own negotiation skills.
I don't feel say they okay at all because like we talk, it go breed jealousy for inside the working environment. And then apart from jealousy again, exactly waiting we talk, maybe I they walk past the other person and then the other person they end past me. They one kind. And then for some organizations too, then go they pay people based on where they're in school. So those were school for inside Nigeria.
Thank you, sister.
School outside Nigeria. So you're kind of one that say, okay, so my mama and papa say they're not sure at all. Where we say they're not
kind of vex for them.
You understand? It breed a lot. Even low self-esteem go enter the matter at the end of the day because you go the one that say, so this person actually some people go program their mind to say, okay, actually Amaka they earn past me because Amaka they better than me. And if it not be true, or because say she school for Obodo and me I school for Nigeria. Come on.
It will affect your performance. Imagine say normally the people you say, Amaka, please come and do voice pop. And you don't know say one person, when I do show together or whatever, they earn more than you. Amaka will say, I'm sorry, I cannot do voice pop. I'm busy right now.
Yeah, but even when you know they do it, but those of you where they outside, I just said I want chook mouth enter this thing where we they struggle on top right now. Even I want chook mouth enter Talk Talk Wazobia for Twitter and Talk Talk dash Wazobia TV for Facebook. Tell us how you feel. Is they okay? Make your colleague know what you they earn or you know they okay. So better now, we get anyone at all?
Yes, we got plenty for Inside Facing Book. Abdullahi Danjuma, he said, not that necessary. Justina Omot Chere, she said, good though, as human beings, most of us, they judge too much. Then go begin, they calculate the colleague expenses by themselves. Like me now, I feel they look at Amaka say, so Amaka don't buy new top. Next week, she don't buy new shoe now. Wow. Next week again, she don't buy new wristwatch.
Next time, you calculate, okay, I don't buy house. Plus,
for Inside Twitter, at Temi Dam, in say yes, for you to know if you are being short paid or in the same salary scale.
Oh yeah. Now those people where we talk about without jealousy.
Then Dr. Alabi in say, they necessary at all.
Yeah, for me, not the necessary at all. That's my final decision. Not the necessary.
But that short paid part, it makes sense.
Yeah, I like Camo.
But when you can't know,
sense.
So what do you go do if you are short paid?
When you can't know,
you go with your management. Say, okay, you know what? I feel so because let me tell you, it's not that bad for you to go meet management and say, okay, I feel so I did underpaid. If you know, say your value for that company, they worth it. But if you know, say they do anything, you can't go right now say, excuse me, ma, they pay me enough. Actually, I feel say I suppose they earn 700,000. Just like Amaka, and now they pay me like 250,000, and me they do work past Amaka, now me they script, now me they do this.
I like the way they talk about
it. The way they talk
They're just looking at you say, okay. So well, actually, we actually employ Amaka because Amaka school for University of
where you
school, you know, and
you
now
don't get your masters.
You school for Ajangbadi High School. So when you feel say we know they pay you enough, I think say we won't tell you, but now when you don't come, it's time for you to go.
Your hustle now continue on a different
they go
level.
there with malice, or rather with bad belly. Maybe go there say, sir, I've stayed there for too long. Really.
I like this.
Amaka, what does she do? I'm the one that used to do everything.
Do you know that work that you give Amaka is me that did it?
I'm gonna give her motivational quote.
This woman no go kill me.
But I wait till the apple with that too.
I'm telling you.
With motivational quote for today, he say, this one come from Maya Angelou. She say, life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but the moments that take our breaths away. You know those moments, like memories.
As in memories, sweet memories.
Yes, sweet bitter ones. Some bitter ones too. Take away your memory. Like,
just sit down
I
and
actually
think,
crossed over from that problem.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's the struggle. Yeah.
Yeah, like some bitter ones, some sweet bitter
I
ones.
want to them to the aspect of you work. You know, they keep memories for yourself. Now that time when you actually
no holiday, no break, no leave. No Christmas, no Sunday,
no
Monday,
no
transfer.
No transfer. You know say as teachers they always transfer them. So Mama will say you will work for one school, no leave, no transfer. Better manners of the day, please.
All right, say better manners of the day. The way you walk has a way of defining you. Avoid dragging your feet on the ground.
Ew.
It is irritating.
Please stop it, yo.
If you
people they drag their leg.
Why you pull her for head?
People they drag her.
This is where you talk.
Yeah.
I get person when they do.
So it be like, ma call the person, tell her now.
Just announce and say, no, they drag your feet for ground. Even when you wear shoe.
You see the cocoa they make cuckoo.
Not be the cocoa say go shoe.
Why?
Yeah, now you and we they agree. This one say do bois. This one say
That the sound that they hear from you.
Is it gonna do it for ear like this? Stop it. Raise.
I don't like that thing at all.
Now, if not slippers, I understand.
I say you grow up.
No, I feel understand for slippers because the down feet
But then I tell you, I say, when I smile, they do. I say yes, because you they grow up, you get brain.
All right, that's now then we end today's show. Yeah, we don't end today's show. And join us again tomorrow for Real Life Issues Day. Now, if you get any story where you want to make we put our mouth inside, or maybe whether not you or a person that actually goes through them, let us know. Just send message enter with Facebook, Talk-Wazobia TV, or Twitter at Talk-Wazobia. All right, meet you tomorrow in peace and not to pieces. Get better day. And as they always they talk.
So to talk no be bad thing, but make it everything they talk about.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.